never saw you. I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a cozy decorate with me. I'm going to take you through my living room and add some cozy touches for 2024. I hope you enjoy.
I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.
It's currently winter time here in Australia, and I absolutely love decorating my home, guys, and sitting by the fireplace and looking at all my neutral cozy decor.
I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old.
Now, I'm a big fan of a really cozy cushion, guys. I love the combination of a fake fur one as well as checkered print, and I love this ruffled pillowcase.
Do without you, do without you, do without you.
Behind my couch, guys, I have this French provincial table, and I love adding decorative rustic pieces to it.
First time I saw your face, I fell in love. Oh, I can't believe you are mine.
Kmart just released this adorable checkered print box, and I love its neutral tone.
Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
One of the things I love creating a cozy feel in my home is using lamps and candles.
I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. Do without you, 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 do without
I've got something on my mind, I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Do everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love.
As my overseas friends prepare for the fall season, I love sharing my inspiration, guys, so you can get cozy in your home as well.
Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be.
I live in a really cold part of Australia, guys, where it's cold 9 months of the year. So I've always got my cozy vibes here at Chelle's Glam Home.
In that good way, so come on, baby. Let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. And feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and let's run everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. If that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Yeah, baby, come and let's run everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
Leave me a comment down below if you love decorating your home really cozy and in neutral tones when it comes to fall and winter.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Uh-oh. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know. If I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I came straight through the dirt.
So guys, I'd love to hear your feedback on what you'd like to see in new videos from me. I really need some inspiration, guys, on what you'd like to see next. Do you like to see the DIY videos, or you prefer the decorate with me's, or you prefer seeing different areas of my home? I'm planning on sharing a video very soon of my entire journey of living in this home for 8 years. So if that's something that you think that you'd love to watch, please leave me a comment down below.
And I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I don't know if I can make the days go by like this right now.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I don't know if this road is too long, guess I'll make it somehow.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. To win a surprise that you be with this tonight. So keep playing hard and.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your living room cozy. I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you all for new videos next week here at Chelle's Glam Home.